enlarge with a scale factor of 3, centered at the origin. So centered at the origin is the vital part of this particular question. What does that actually mean, centered at the origin? Okay, so it's pretty simple really. The origin is 0, 0. So here is our center of enlargement, 0, 0. That's what the origin is. So from there, it should be pretty simple. It's just a matter of counting, right? So let's enlarge each point, point by point, and we'll come up with the image of triangle ABC. So let's do that. How do I get, therefore, from the center, from the origin point to point A? So let's do some counting. We do our x-axis first, remember, and then our y-axis. So it's across first and then up and down. So start at 0, 0 and get to A. So it's across 1 and then 1, 2, 3 up. Across 1, 1, 2, 3 up. That's scale factor 2. Across 1 and then up 1, 2, 3, and right here must be A dash. Do something similar for point B. I'm going to be going across the other way this time, so it's 1 across and then up 2. 1 across, up 2. Scale factor of 2 so far. 1 across, up 2, and this is where point B dash is. And for the final one, I just have to do to get to C. So to get to C, I just have to go across. There's no up or down there, so it's 1, 2. So that's scale factor 1, 1, 2. Scale factor 2, 1, 2. That's scale factor 3, and I now know that right here is C dash. So the next step is to draw that shape. So draw the image of triangle ABC. So let's do that. So line from there to there, line from B dash to C dash, and another line from A dash to C dash to make our triangle, and that's all there is to it.